Have you had trouble with money? Who hasn't? Or do you have money goals but have been struggling to get to them?
Are you curious or you're trying to figure out how to make plant-based changes in your life? Whether it's eating vegan foods, or using plant-based medicinal options, or using plant-based skincare, you're in the right place.
Hi, I'm Jay.
And I'm Jen.
We're the founders of EPEC, Empower People,
Empower Change.
We went from being horrible with money to having our money in order with clear goals for the future.
And we went from having significant health problems to having those completely disappear by changing our lifestyle to more plant-based.
And the food is still good. Can you believe it?
Every week, we will serve you with practical tips and steps through entertaining videos.
We will help you to create money and plant-based living habits that will empower your life and your future generation. We want you to be aware that there is a different way of living that practically anyone can adopt.
The stressful and chaotic way of life that you live and that you see around you does not have to be your future.
We want you to believe that you can do this, and we're here to give you the action steps.
To get tips that will give you a clear path towards transforming your life, make sure that you subscribe to this channel right now.
And turn on that notification bell so you are aware when our next video drops. Because we're confident you're going to love them.
Welcome to our channel.
Have you had trouble with money?
Yes!
Who hasn't? Or do you have money goals but have been struggling to get to them?
That was totally
You're at the right channel. Maybe I hit it that time.
I know.
You should have left it in there.
We went from significant health problems from the way we were eating to having all those health problems disappear just by switching to Geico. No, sorry.